In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and delete Gemini AI activity. If you want more control over what's saved from your chats, I'll walk you through how to pause future saving and how to wipe past activity, all in a clear, simple flow. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're on the main Gemini page and signed into your Google account, look for the menu labeled Settings and Help. It's typically found via the gear icon near the top or side of the interface. Click that to open your Gemini settings. From there, choose Activity. This takes you to the place where Gemini manages what it keeps from your interactions. At the top of the activity page, find the section called Gemini Apps Activity. You'll see a status indicator that says On. Click the word On to open the controls. You'll now see options to turn off and delete activity. Here's the difference. Turn off stops Gemini from saving new activity going forward, but it leaves your existing history intact. Turn off and delete activity both pauses future saving and immediately removes the activity that's already stored. Pick the option that matches what you need. If you're unsure, you can turn it off first, then delete manually so you can review before committing. Next, go to your Gemini Apps activity page, which shows your conversation history and prompts that have been saved. If you opted not to delete earlier or you want finer control, this is where you can clear past items. Above your activity list, click the Delete button. A menu will appear with choices such as deleting activity from a specific time range or everything. To remove everything Gemini has saved, choose All Time. If you only want to clear a particular window, like the last hour, day, or a custom date range, select that instead. This is helpful if you only need to erase a few sensitive sessions. After you choose your range, confirm the deletion. Read the confirmation message so you know exactly what will be removed, then approve it. Deletions can take a moment to process and can't be undone, so be sure before you proceed. That's it. You've turned off saving if you wanted to pause future logging, and you've deleted past Gemini apps activity if you needed a clean slate. You can return to the same activity section anytime to change your setting back on or to clear more history later. Taking a minute to check these controls gives you confidence that your AI activity reflects your privacy preferences.